Currently I have a GT 220, which is by NVIDIA. The benchmark is at 350, but I got a GTX 770 which benchmarks close to 5,000. So I'm getting a little over 12 times better of a graphics card. Person who sold it it's supposed to be used. Oh, look at that, I got an adapter too. This is gonna be great. It was used for $70. A lot of the graphics cards are very expensive these days, and I'm not gonna go and spend $500, $600 on a graphics card. So I bought a used one. They said it still works. And just by the way of the packaging, it looks like they took great care of it. It still has the seal, the anti-static bag, and here it is. Looks clean to me. Video card upgrade. So just need to remove that, and there's a screw here. Take out that screw. Alright, here's the old one. Now with the new one, I believe I need to take out one more of these panels. I need to take off the bottom one over here. Alright, very snug fit. I'm going to screw things back. Okay. Remember we mentioned the VGA blocks it. I'll take out the VGA, put in the SATA, that's what I'm gonna do.